Hello guys, it's Break the Care back here again with some wonderful tutorials for you. If you are new here, do well to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification so that YouTube sends you a message. This video has been one of the most requested videos so far now, so I decided to make a video just for you all. I got you. So now I'm going to teach you step by step on how to create this account. First thing you're going to do is go over to Google on your phone or your laptop. So you open Google. Now you go to the search bar and type in, make sure you type in this correctly, paypal.com/ls. When it loads, the next thing you're going to do is hit the login button over here at the right top corner, and then you're going to fill in these details. You click on sign up. Then you're not going to use personal account, you're going over to business account. When you hit business account, you click continue. The next thing you're going to do is enter a valid email address. This should be valid. It should be your actual email address. You're going to click on continue. Then from here you input a reasonable password. Now you'll be on this page. This is the most important step. Make sure you put in your legal first name, your legal last name, then your business details. That's your legal business name. You can put in your name over there. That's where it's written, legal business name. And then you tick the box underneath if you want customers to see your name. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to business phone number. You're going to choose Ghana, search for Ghana and put in Ghana, and put in your real phone number over here. Then I'll put in your address. Our postal code here in Ghana is 00233. When you're done with that, you just click the box over here, check the box over here. That means you agree and continue. You agree to the terms and conditions of the PayPal account, and just click agree and continue. Next step is for you to choose the business type. You're going to choose individual or sole proprietorship, and over here you're going to type in professional services. Make sure you input professional services, please. Professional services. Now you leave the website space blank. Then when you are done with that, you click on continue. Now over here you're going to input your date of birth and everything. Now on this page you're going to input the necessary details. So your date of birth, I'm just going to choose any random. Okay, your nationality, you're going to change it to Ghana. Look for Ghana. Ghana should be in here. Ghana. Okay, yeah, that's Ghana. Then identity document, you're going to input national ID. And over there at the national ID, you can decide to put your legit national ID or just input 6-digit numbers. So I'm going to do 0666713 as my ID number. It really doesn't matter. And you're going to take the box for home address. You're going to take the box for it to use the same address you used previously, and click submit. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, then click submit, and yeah, your PayPal account is ready for any transaction you want to do. If you want to see your transaction or your balance right now, you click on summary, and there it loads up. You can see the balance. This is a new account, so it's at 0.00 US. So now I'm giving this account as a freebie to anyone who comments, likes and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you leave a good comment. I'm going to choose a random from the comments who to give this account to. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe as usual, and don't forget to leave a comment if you need this account. See you in some of the next videos.